Hello, my student. In this video, we are going to use a Pythagorean identity to solve trig equation. Let's begin. The first thing we can look at this equation that the left side is the sine squared theta, but the right side of the equation, both terms, we both see cosine theta. So the first step, we are going to go ahead and use the Pythagorean identity to substitute sine squared theta for 1 minus cosine squared theta. And then we copy the rest. Next, we are going to make sure one side of the equation must be 0. So what we are going to do is that we are going to subtract 1 to both sides, and we're going to add cosine squared theta to both sides. So this is add cosine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. So that gives us 2 cosine squared theta. And we bring this cosine squared theta down. And then we subtract 1. Now if it's too fast, I can go ahead and write it down one more time so you see. So we subtract 1. We subtract 1. And we add cosine squared theta. So we add cosine squared theta. And these two terms are like terms, so cosine squared theta plus cosine squared theta that give us 2 cosine squared theta. And then we just go ahead and copy the rest of the two terms. Okay, so now we have a quadratic equation. So we just go ahead and just let x be cosine theta. So that will give us 0 equal 2x squared plus x minus 1. Now we are going to solve for x. So we are going to use the Pythagorean, we are going to use the quadratic formula to solve for x. So therefore, we have our A is 2, our B is 1, and our C is -1. So in this case will be negative B plus minus square root of B squared minus 4AC. All this divided by 2A. And simplify the square root, so that gives us -1 plus minus square root of 9 divided by 4, and continue to simplify the numerator, so plus minus 3 divided by 4. So that will give us two answers. X equal 2 over 4 or 1/2, and the second answer will be x equal -4 over 4 or -1. Now we go ahead and substitute x at a cosine for a cosine theta. So therefore we have cosine theta equal 1/2, and we have cosine theta equal -1. Now we just go ahead and use the table, the special angle table that you create in your notebook, and that will give us for the first equation. So that will give us the angle theta is pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. And then for the second equation, that gives us the angle theta equal pi. So therefore, we can conclude that our solution will be theta equal pi over 3, 5 pi over 3, and pi. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.